Finish 1 hour video about the Church of the Annunciation, the Cathedral of the Annunciation, Basilica of the Annunciation. But I'm starting now a new video, and that's going to be about the second place that you can find in Nazareth here at the Catholic compound, and that's the house of Joseph. Before we will talk about the house of Joseph, I just want to show you the house of Mary. And then let's go there for just 1 second. I want you to understand that it's like two different places. This is the house of Mary, the house of Jesus, for let's say around 30 years. We will climb up through the daily church to the house of Joseph. The daily church is beautiful. There's a mass now. I won't talk about it here. If you want to listen to what I said about it, watch my 1 hour video of the Church of the Annunciation. I will just go out from there to the house of Joseph. I did it because of two reasons. The first one, now we know how to reach the house of Joseph. Second one, I wanted you to see that through the Catholic way of thinking, there are two houses, mainly because they weren't married. Some of you will say, yes, they were. They are children of Mary beside Jesus. The Bible mentioned it a few times. The Catholic will answer, we are talking about, let's say, family members, or maybe Joseph. Remember, Joseph was old. He was married already. Then he's got children. Then Mary became their stepmother in a way. I'm not going into it because it's a huge dilemma. And so many of you got different views about it, and I accept each one of it because everything is right. As I said, don't be mad at me. But according to the Catholic, Joseph wasn't, he didn't live in the house of Mary, which is there. Then if you said, oh yes, he did, it's a Holy Family, then the place that we will go now is the carpentry of his workshop. According to the Catholic, that was his house. Then let's go see it, because it's a modern church on top of ancient churches. Joseph is so important. He was a father or not. He raised Jesus for so many years. We don't know when he died. The Bible never mentioned it. But he was there. And if Jesus was a saint for me, then is a lot because of Joseph and Mary. Then although he wasn't mentioned a lot, I loved Joseph. And consider not only me, a lot of people are touching the knees of Joseph. Not because that was important, because it's very close to here, but if it's okay by you, the hands are talking to me. On the way to the church, you will see kind of a burial door, but made of basalt, not of limestone, local stone here. It belongs to one of the tombs of the second temple time, Jesus time. So many remains from different times here. There's a mass there too. Then we will go straight to the grotto to see the mikveh and their water system, because there's no water, then every drop of rain was collected by every house here. But if it's a ritual, Jewish ritual above, it means that it was a very important person who lived here, and we know that he came from the David dynasty. Then yes, I believe in it. And look how beautiful it is. I'm so in love with the Holy Family statue of it. Let's enter. I will be quiet at least at the upper church, and I want you to look at the beautiful painting of the Holy Family. Another 10,000 people here. That's how they wanted you to understand that it used to be. They call it the basin in the crypt. I call it mikveh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stairs. And here it is. Carpentry, the house of Joseph, whatever you will choose. Water system will be now to your left side. just came on time. Well, not like the 1 hour video. This is only 12 minutes. If you like that video, please subscribe to my channel, be part of my family. If you want to donate to support me, you can do that through the look at the description, look for the link for Buy Me Coffee or PayPal, and you can always send me a message and I will send you the links. Then thank you very much for being with me, but not before we will say goodbye to Mary and Gabriel. Oh, now you can see the spring. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.